Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And our host for the month of May from the Mini Kit Monday ladies is Tracy. And our challenge for the month of May is to create cards, but you can also create layouts, or you can do a combination of cards and layouts. And over at our Facebook group site, Tracy has provided us several sketches, and for this Monday, May 10th, I am using this card sketch to create a card and a layout. And the products that I am going to use are close to my heart stamp and thin cuts called So Tweet. Isn't that adorable? And yes, I am a consultant maker, so if you do not have a consultant maker, I would love to have you as a customer, so come on over and shop with us. This is the thin cuts that come with that stamp set, the stamps. Then I am also using these two circle cutting items from Creative Memories that has been in my stash for ages. And I'm going to show you the card I created using the sketch I just showed you. And here it is right here. Isn't that adorable? Now I'm going to bring it up close since it's so little. And it's your standard size card. So I used the small circle here to cut out this half, or it's more than a half of a circle, and place that paper right here. And this black and white striped paper is from a Maggie Holmes collection, but the yellow, the red, the cardstock here are all from Close to My Heart, and of course that stamp. And then to color it in, I use the tri-blends to color that in. To stamp out the image, I use the Close to My Heart black intensive ink. And then for my little tiny dots right here, I used the Nuvo Crystal Drops in liquid mercury. So now I'm going to show you the layout that I created using the card sketch. Here it is. Isn't this awesome? Love it, love it, love it. All right, so you can see I have the half moon, just like in the card sketch. I have my strip of paper going across, and then I have vertically my block right here. And then I just went to town with adding all kinds of embellishments and different textures of products. You can see that I die cutted this birdie from the So Tweet set, and I used my tri-blends to color him in. And this is a wood veneer heart from Close to My Heart, and I'm bringing in the orange elements right here. This chipboard, I was trying to think, this chipboard and this chipboard and this chipboard and this chipboard piece are all from a Vicky Bouton collection, along with these alphas right here. The rest of my chipboard pieces are just in my stash, my miscellaneous box by color, so I don't remember what product line they came from. So that include this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and those little stars there. This button was in my stash that says "You Make My Heart Sing." And of course, as you can see, my title is Scrub a Dub, and this is my husband on top of our camper washing it. I just love how this turned out. My papers are from Close to My Heart, from the March, April Mix It paper. So that would be this one and this one. And this black and white stripe one is from a Maggie Holmes collection. And then I used black cardstock to mat all that on for additional thickness because I have a lot of chipboard pieces going on. So it's quite heavy of a layout. Very dimensional. Then for my splatters here that I made look like bubbles are created from using the Heidi Swap Color Shine in black. And my layout is complete. All right, I'm sure that you've already checked out the other ladies because this video is going up late. I did create it on May 10th, which is a Monday, so I do get credit for that. But yes, it is being posted on YouTube late. I truly do apologize, but I am just having a hard time squeezing in scrappy time lately. All right, please be sure that you give all of us a thumbs up and you keep coming back and go check out our Facebook group site because you will be inspired by all the ladies that are members of the Facebook group site that are posting their creations in the May album. If you have any further questions, just leave the comments listed below and we will see you next time. Bye.